Teeny Tiny Homes will own Channel 9 and Channel 7. And they actually done it in this building. And what's cool about here, and it was cool because this was years ago and it still looks nice. That's what I mean. These get years old and nothing cracks. The way we do the joins, the way we do the quads and all that. And you can have a whole house and a patio, this exact one, for $113,284. And you've got a 12 by 3.4 home with everything in it, walk-in wardrobes, giant queen size bed, a big lounge room, kitchen, bathroom. And then look at this, 8 meters by 3.4 patio and an 8 meter by 3.6 the patio and the deck as well. And that's what's cool. The deck's always a little bit smaller. The patio's always a little bit longer so the water doesn't drip on it. So that's why we always make the patios a little bit longer, which makes sense. And for all this, $113,000. So if you can find that any cheaper, come to me because I'll probably work for them.